This is a project from Cinema 4D. It's used for motion graphics. If you just need to check the assets, you can use the Cineware plugin for After Effects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the trick. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor C4D errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A C4D file is a 3D model, scene, or animation created using MAXON Cinema 4D, a professional 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software. It contains information about the 3D geometry, textures, materials, lighting, camera positions, and animation keyframes that define the scene. C4D files are used in various industries, including film, television, architecture, and game development. C4D files utilize a proprietary binary format to store complex 3D scene data. The format supports a wide range of features, including parametric modeling, sculpting, procedural textures, and advanced rendering options. The internal structure is optimized for efficient storage and retrieval of scene elements, enabling complex scenes to be managed effectively. The C4D proprietary design mandates association with MAXON Cinema 4D from MAXON Computer. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows offers limited rendering ability for these files, so in-depth inspection requires 3D modeling tools. The fastest route to the fix is testing every option. Right-click the C4D file and hit Open With. Use MAXON Cinema 4D if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your C4D file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the C4D problem to one of 3 basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, use Cinema 4D. Open the file using MAXON Cinema 4D, the required application for the 3D model. Next, check version. Ensure your Cinema 4D version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to OBJ-FBX. Use the software's export function to save the 3D model as a universal format like .obj or FBX. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.